Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If Google Chrome won't open in full screen on your laptop or PC, don't worry, I will show you how to fix it first. So first open Google Chrome and click square icon into the top right corner to maximize it. So you will get to see here, you just need to click this one. If it works, just close Chrome while it's maximized. This makes it remember the last window size next time. So this is the easiest one. Then you can also force full screen like pressing F11 key on your keyboard. Like if you click this one, you can force them to become full screen. This toggle full screen mode on or off. So on some laptops you may need to press F9 plus F11 instead. So next, reset shortcut properties. If Chrome still opens small, check the shortcut. Right click your Chrome shortcut and properties, go to shortcut tab, and next to run, make sure it is maximized and click apply and close. And now let's talk about the clear local data. It is an optional, like if nothing was clear local Windows setting, you just need to click Windows plus R. Then you just need to be right and keyword like this way. First of all, you just need to add this one, then local app data, local app data, then again use this one, and then write for Google GWGL Google, then Chrome CHROME Chrome, then user, and then last the data. You just need to select this one and then hit OK, and you will eventually get to redirect here. And then you just need to find the local listed file and delete it. This reset to Windows size setting. Then you will able to see always in maximized size, and that's it. Now Chrome should open in full screen every time. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment on our YouTube video. Thanks for watching.